Mayor Bill Peduto signed new gun legislation into law this afternoon, and as expected, the legal challenges have already started. Amy Wadas has more on what both sides are saying tonight.
Mayor Bill Peduto said signing these firearms bills needed to happen. He knows that there's a legal battle that comes with it, and he's ready to take it on.
The four bills are now law.
Claps and hugs after Mayor Bill Peduto put his name on each of these bills. Several people connected to the Tree of Life massacre stood by his side in support.
There was a lot of opposition, and I think most people know that. But more people within the city quietly showed their support.
Opposition when it comes to 3 bills: restricting military-style assault weapons, banning most uses of high-capacity magazines, and allowing the temporary seizure of guns from people who are determined to be a danger to themselves or others. A Stop the Violence bill was also signed, a bill that will improve community relations with the goal of reducing violence. Peduto says the city is ready to take on anyone who will challenge them.
We will be represented by Everytown, a national organization that will be putting a team of lawyers in place for us.
Several city residents filed a lawsuit today with the NRA's support.
To say that it's large capacity is patently false. That's not the case when you look at when anyone who knows firearms would not call these large capacity, and that is very much a political leverage. It's a term that has been applied by anti-gun activists.
On Friday morning, other city residents plan on filing private criminal complaints demanding the district attorney file charges.
I'm sick and tired of politicians violating the law and getting away with it.
Change doesn't happen on its own. Change only happens when you challenge the status quo.
Amy Wadas, KDKA News.
Another new gun law takes effect tomorrow in Pennsylvania. The law, known as Act 79, takes guns out of the hands of abusers involved in domestic violence. The law forces them to turn in their guns after a conviction or if a final protection from abuse order is filed against them. Under the new law, they have powers to surrender their weapon either to a police officer or a lawyer.